Welcome to Future Doctor NEET Academy for the problem solving session in NEET Physics. Topic chosen today is from Chapter 2, Electrostatic Potential and Capacitance. Let's move to first question. Two charged spherical conductors of radii R1 and R2 are connected by a wire. Then the ratio of surface charge densities of the spheres sigma 1 by sigma 2 is dash. What is sigma? Sigma is the surface charge density. What is surface charge density? It is a charge per unit area. And according to action of points, sigma into R equal to constant. Sigma into R. R is capital R is given. Sigma into R equal to constant. It means sigma 1 R1 equal to sigma 2 R2. Question is, we want to find sigma 1 by sigma 2. Then sigma 1 by sigma 2 equal to R1 by R2 or R2 by R1? Yes, R2 by R1 equal to R2 by R1. Which option? Option B. Let's move to question number 2. A short electric dipole has a dipole moment of 16 into 10 power minus 9 cm, coulomb into meter. The electric potential due to the dipole at a point at a distance of 0.6 meter from the center of the dipole situated on a line making an angle of 60 degree with the dipole axis is dash. That is V, potential due to a dipole. V equal to formula P cos theta by 4 pi epsilon naught R square. This is the formula. And P is given how much? 16 into 10 power minus 9 and 4 pi epsilon naught. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is 9 into 10 power 9. So this you can write as 9 into 10 power 9 into value of P 16 into 10 power minus 9. 16 into 10 power minus 9 into cos theta, cos 60 degree divided by R square. R is 0.6 square. That is 0.6 into 0.6. Why I kept like this means just to simplify easily. That is using 3 table 339, 326 and 326 0.2. Okay. And cos 60 is 1 by 2. Then V equal to, that is 16 into 10 power 9 into 10 power minus 9, that can be cancelled. 10 power plus 9, 10 power minus 9 cancelled. Then 16 into, what's the remaining thing? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 divided by 0.2 into 0.2. 0.2 into 0.2 we can write as 2 into 10 power minus 1 into 2 into 10 power minus 1. That is 2 into 10 power minus 2. Then giving 200 volts. That is option A. Okay, option A is the correct answer. Let's move to question number 3. If potential involved in a region is expressed as V of x comma y comma z equal to 6xy minus y plus 2yz. Electric field in Newton per coulomb at point 1 comma 1 comma 0 is dash. That is electric field E equal to formula minus dV by dx. That is the formula. And the dV is given as dou V by dou x into I cap. Okay. And plus dou V by dou y into j cap plus dou V by dou z into k cap. What is ijk? Is a unit vector along x, y, z axis. Then simplify this. E equal to minus into dou V by dou x. V is 6xy minus y plus 2z. To differentiate this, only x term is 6xy only. Differentiate that 6y into I cap plus dou V by dou y. Dou V by dou y is 6x minus 1. 6x minus 1 into j cap plus dou V by dou z. That is just 2y. 2y. That is a 2y z. If you differentiate, you will get 2y. 2y into k cap. And substitute x equal to 1, y equal to 1 and z equal to 0 as E of 1 comma 0 equal to 6 into 1, 6 minus 6 I cap. And 6 into 1, 6, 6 minus 1, 5. So plus 5 j cap. 2 into y, y is already 1. So plus 2 into 1, 2 k cap. Which option? Option B. Option B is the correct answer. Let's move to question number 4. 4 point charges minus q, minus small q, and 2q and 2 big Q are placed one at each corner of the square. The relation between Q and Q for which the potential at the center of the square is 0 is dash. That is V1 plus V2 plus V3 plus V4 equal to 0. What's the formula for V? KQ by R. K is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. That can be written as K. Q is minus Q. K minus Q by R plus V2 is K small minus Q by R plus V3 is K 2Q by R 2Q by R plus V4 is K 2 capital Q by R equal to 0. R is a common, taken, multiply by 0 becomes 0. K also if you take that side it becomes 0. And remaining thing is minus Q and then minus small q plus 2Q plus 2 big Q, capital Q equal to 0. 2Q minus Q, 1Q. And this 2Q minus Q equal to 0. Then Q equal to, if Q that side goes there. Next question number 5. There is an electric field E in the x direction. If the work done on moving a charge of 0.2 coulomb through a distance of 2 meter along a line making an angle 60 degree with x-axis is 4 joules. Then what is the value of E? Formula, actually work done W equal to FD cos theta. And the force due to electric field is QE. We substitute this, then our required formula W equal to QED cos theta. And you want to find electric field E only. E equal to W by QD cos theta. Substitute this. E equal to W. What's the value of W? 4 joule. 4 divided by Q. What's the value of Q? Q is given 0.2. 0.2 into D. Value of D is 2 meter. 2 into cos 60 degree. Cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Everything is in yes, unit only, no? Yes. Then 4 divided by, and we can cancel this. Right. 2, 2, 4. Okay. And this 2, 0.1. Cos 60 is how much? Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Then 1 by 2, that is 2 by 0.1. 2 by 0.1 equal to multiply and divide by 10, you will get 20. 20 Newton per Coulomb. Which option? Option D. Let's move to question number 6. The capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor with air as medium is 6 microfarad. With the introduction of a dielectric medium, the capacitance becomes 30 microfarad. The permittivity of a medium is dash. Permittivity, that is epsilon, you should find. Actual formula is C equal to, that is the capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor. C equal to epsilon naught A by B. This is for capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor when it is filled with air medium. Air medium. When it is filled with dielectric medium, that is C dash equal to epsilon R, and here is given as K only. No, is it so? Capacitance R becomes okay. That is the epsilon R. Epsilon R, epsilon naught A by D. This is for dielectric medium. Okay, this is for dielectric medium. Then C dash by C. C dash by C. Epsilon naught A by D getting cancelled. Then you will get epsilon R only. That is C dash is given how much? C dash is 30. 30 microfarad. 30 into 10 power minus 6 by C is 6 microfarad. 6 into 10 power minus 6 equal to epsilon R. Then you can cancel this. 6, 5, 30. 10 power minus 6, 10 power minus 6. From this, epsilon R equal to 5. Epsilon R equal to 5. But we want to find epsilon. What is the relation between epsilon and epsilon R? That is epsilon equal to epsilon R into epsilon naught. That is epsilon R is epsilon equal to epsilon R is 5. Just now only we found epsilon naught. What's the value of epsilon naught? 8.85 into 10 power minus 12. 8.85 into 10 power minus 12. Then to simplify this, you will get epsilon equal to, that is 44 point something into 10 power minus 12. But answer is given 10 power minus 10. Then that is epsilon equal to, I'll write here, epsilon equal to 44 point something into 10 power minus 12. That is minus 12 in terms of 10 power minus 10 means 0.44. 0.44 into 10 power minus 10. Because 10 power minus 12 is not matching in 10 power minus 10 only. So displace 2 decimal from here. Which option? Option D. Let's move to last question. 3 capacitors each of capacitance C and of breakdown voltage V or V1 plus V2 plus V3. Okay. And here also V1 equal to V2 equal to V3 equal to V. So V plus V plus V equal to 3V, 3 volts. So which option? Option C. Option C is the correct answer. Okay. Thank you, students. In next session, we will see to next chapter in same problem solving session.